put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger. I finally drank away her memories. Life is short, this time it was bigger, and the strength he had to get up off his knees. We found him with his face down in the pillows, with a note that said, "I'll love her till I die." And when we buried him,